Engineering is not mostly known out there. Everyone, when you tell them about a plane, about aviation, all they think about is the pilot, the air hostess, and that's all they see. They do not understand that there is someone who makes sure the aircraft is airworthy to fly. Because there are many instances whereby flights are cancelled and here and there. And why? Because the engineer has said that plane cannot fly.
The people who say it cannot fly.
Yes. When the no plane is allowed to fly without an engineer signing it out to fly. Okay, so we have a very, very important profession called aircraft maintenance engineering. They are the shadow heroes. They are more or less behind the curtain, but very, very important. And aviation in Uganda is evolving. Recently, the Ginger was approved to be upgraded. And we also know in Western Uganda, we are having an international airport there. And even in Northeast Uganda. And you realize that aviation in Uganda is growing. So there is going to be so much demand. Yeah, because planes are going to be coming in, flying in and out, mostly in Western Uganda, where we have raw materials being mined there. And when these planes come in, there has
in the national parks, we've seen tourism also evolving, and
yes,
some of these tourists that come in don't want to take 7 hours on the road, going to Maxon Falls and whatever. They want to fly.
Sure. Aviation is one of the industries that drives the economy and connects so many people and creates opportunities. So you find that someone comes into the Uganda and wants to fly maybe to Moroto, but they don't want to use road transport. It takes long. They don't have time, so they need to fly there.
To make a joke, is I think the reason we have a lot of siren cars on the road and what is because the local flights have not been considered and manpower needed.
Sure, something like that. But we are seeing a time whereby aviation has really come up. There are many airlines growing every day, and there are new ones every day. CAA is approving. So this is an industry that is in demand for engineers. I am sure if you open an airline right now, then you advertise, I need licensed engineers with, let's say, a B1, which Georgiam is bringing up and offering. Actually, we have exams in August this year. So if you advertise that, I want, if the first eligibility requirement is you have to be a national Ugandan, and I want people with a B1. If you're qualified with that license, you may get very few applying.
And I think I'll attest to your statement that even the national carrier, some of these technical people are not nationals, citizens of Uganda. So Musa, there are many young Ugandans there that have finished in senior 6 waiting to join university, senior and the rest. What do you think they need to do in as far as how you talk about tapping into these opportunities?
We have a website, and if you Google georgiamaviationacademy.org, you will find our website. In the website, you will find the different courses that are issued.
Are you only offering engineering?
No, there are other courses. For example, airport operations, flight operations, cargo introductory, and many more, as you shall see in the website. And these courses are wonderful courses. In there are also contacts that you can call in case you need any clarification on this or that, something like that. But my take on engineering in particular, because we
because
are,
you're an engineer.
because I am an engineer. Engineering is really interesting. Why I particularly picked engineering is because every day it gives me a task. It gives me to think. It is not something that is monotonous, that you'll do the same thing every day.
You enjoy cancelling flights?
No. I don't enjoy cancelling flights because that's like someone is working on a deadline and something like that.
It's like telling somebody, don't get offended because I've cancelled your flight, but I want you to be safe in the space.
Yes. It's about basically safety. So to anyone out there who has finished senior 6, please come and visit. We are at Katabi Entebbe on the highway where you're going to Kampala. So you will also have the contacts there in the website.
Even Facebook and Twitter.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we have social media accounts. You can just search and you will find. And then also, when there are those that finished Senior 4 that may not directly qualify to join the academy, we have a bridging course that we take those ones through as long as you passed. We have a bridging course for about 6 months.